We were hearing thunder.
10 to 15 knots. Precipitation. Snow showers likely. Lightning. None. Extended. Saturday. Mostly clear.
Damn.
Lows around 9. Highs around 20. Sunday. Mostly cloudy. Chance of snow. Lows around 17.
Ooh, yeah.
Highs in the upper 20s. Eastern Catskills. Regional forecast for elevations above 2,000 feet. Thursday, max temperature in the upper 40s. Mean temperature around 30. Average dew points in the upper 20s. Minimum humidity 45 to 55%. Wind west 5 to 15 knots. Precipitation, chance of rain showers and isolated thunderstorms. Lightning, isolated. Friday, max temperature in the mid-30s. Mean temperature around 14. Average dew points around 15. Minimum humidity 55 to 65%. Wind northwest 10 to 20 knots. Precipitation, chance of snow showers. Lightning, none. Extended Saturday, mostly clear. Lows around 14. Highs in the mid-20s. Sunday, mostly cloudy. Chance of snow showers. Lows around 20. Highs around 30. The current time is 11:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service. And now the hourly information for the greater Northeast. Here are the 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time observations. At Albany International Airport, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 51 degrees, the dew point 48, and the relative humidity 89%. The pressure was 29.74 inches. It falling around the greater capital district. Throughout the region, temperatures were between 47 and 52 degrees. It was cloudy at North Adams and Bennington, Vermont. At Glens Falls, rain and fog reported. Looking around the northeast.
Wow.
Rome, rain was falling with a temperature of 48. At Buffalo, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 45. It was cloudy with a temperature of 51 at Springfield, Massachusetts, 57 at Poughkeepsie, and 51 at New York City. At Burlington.
Now here's the hazardous weather outlook for northwestern Connecticut, western Massachusetts, east central New York, and southern Vermont. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Isolated thunderstorms with gusty winds and small hail will be possible Thursday as an upper-level disturbance passes across the region. Any thunderstorms that develop will move from the west toward the east of 35 to 45 miles per hour.
Whoa, where the fuck did that one hit? Jesus Christ. Woo!